it is Milo Monday.
Milo MM.
You ready?
Yeah. Mommy?
Yes.
Can I put the dog right
Sure. Yes. All right, let's go get Milo.
Mommy?
Yes, ma'am.
I would like to get Milo. We're going to the gymnastics.
We're going to the gymnastics. Yeah, gymnastics is later on in the day though. But yes.
At 5 o'clock.
3:30.
Milo Monday. Milo Monday.
Milo Monday. You sound like a little puppy. Are you excited, Malia? You nervous?
No.
No? What about you, Joy?
I'm not nervous.
You're not?
I'm happy.
You hear the doggies out there in there? You say you're happy? Aww.
It's like a giant Capri Sun.
A giant Capri Sun. It does. So we are right outside of the place we are picking up our puppy and just putting our stuff in the car as Milo gets cleaned up, nails clipped, and all that good stuff. This is dog food. So they gave us dog food to get us started. Well, this is what he's currently eating, and then he said we can, try a different and larger type later. And then we also got like a care package here with some puppy pads, some more food in there. And he said this is some calorie supplement because sometimes when dogs go home, they don't when they go home, they don't eat sometimes. So this makes sure that he gets all of the nutrients that he needs in order to keep his energy and in order to be healthy, right? Okay, so that's what's in this little puppy thing. And then also like some food here to help with him eating at home. And we're just waiting on the puppy. Also, he is microchipped. Let's see what else. I think that's it. So now we're just waiting on that puppy. Waiting on that puppy to be born. No, just waiting for the puppy to come out. So we're gonna hang outside for a little bit, cause they get a little antsy. They get a little antsy in there. So our buddy Milo, look at him. He is just so adorable. In this time, we're just chit-chatting about the dog and the do's and the don'ts while he's getting ready to be weighed. And he came out to be 9 pounds and 2 ounces. As you can see, Mr. Milo's energy is on 10. Look at him. Oh, we're gonna have such a great time with him. Such a great time.
So it looks like his is mostly black. See that? But this I would keep this because it's rounded off.
Yeah.
If you cut it now, it's gonna get really sharp. Well, it'll be flatter, but here is the front where the sign is, and you want to make sure, yep, just like that.
He's so cute.
So Sid had to work, but of course we had to put him in our family photo.
He's born now. Look out the window.
Aww. Hi, buddy.
Aww.
Hi, buddy.
He's so cute with that ball. Oh, his tail is wagging.
So we just picked up Milo.
Wow, he's so adorable.
Where are you, Milo? Aw, look at him. got the puppy pad down there because we just don't know. Okay, but he is so good. Oh my goodness. Oh, he's. Oh. Okay, this is. Okay.
Oh, wow.
Oh. Well, that escalated quickly. Oh God, Milo, no, buddy. Okay. Well, let's get into it.
No, stop lifting it up. Can't get another one. You okay? You okay? Looks like You okay? You okay? He tore it up. He probably thought it was food. But it isn't. The cover.
Good job, Milo. We didn't even have no pee-pee, no throw up. I mean, this puppy pad is done, but we made it. We made it, buddy.
Mommy,
Yes.
kiss my seatbelt.
Yes.
Don't you dare do that. Oh, wow.
Hey, buddy. Milo, come here, buddy. Come here. It's okay. We got your back.
I think he peed again. Hey! I was just trying to slow it down.
Milo.